Hello my friends, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the APPFULL air pump. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like. Pretty cool little round oval type shape. You get plenty of length for your hose. You also get different extensions for your hose as well, so that makes it nice for filling up different types of inflatables. So guys, overall, nice unit here, good for inflating and deflating. The only thing I wish that it had was a plug for inside your house. So if you wanted to use this inside your house, I wish there was a plug that you can plug in here to use it inside, because not everybody wants to go to their vehicle to inflate and deflate things. In fact, I would say probably 70% of people would love to be able to plug it in their actually house versus dealing with a vehicle. So, if the manufacturer's watching this video, if you guys could make a plug for your house that goes in here, so you give them both options. You give them this option, the 12 volt, and then you give them a house option. That, I think, would really, really, really appeal to a lot of people. But overall, it's a nice unit. And I'm hoping they come out with a plug for your house so we can use this inside. Because I do 97% of my inflating inside my home.